Okay, welcome back. And today we're going to take some time and talk about stretching and shrinking, but now we're going to talk about it in the horizontal direction. Okay, so this is the definition of what it means to be a horizontal shrinking or horizontal stretching. Okay, so again, this is what we're supposing. We're supposing that A again is positive, some positive real number. We know that if a point xy lies on the graph f of x, then the point, oops, hold on, mistake. Let's try that again. So again, we're using a real number. So we have A as a real number, positive. We know that if xy lies on the graph of the basic function, f of x, or the parent function, then we know that the point x divided by a, comma y, lies on the function, or the graph of the function y equals f of ax, where a is now being multiplied inside the function. Okay, so notice that now we're dividing x by a. Okay, last time when it was in the vertical direction, it was a times y, but now here it's x divided by a is going to lie on the graph of this function. Okay, so that means that, hey, if a is between 0 and 1, then that results of this graph is going to be a horizontal stretching of the original parent function. If a is bigger than 1, then the graph of this function, f of ax, is going to be a horizontal shrinking of the original parent function. Okay? So notice that it's a little bit opposite, because now these are switched, right? As before, this was a vertical stretching and when a was greater than 1. Okay? But again, a was outside the function. So again, just keep straight. Okay, if you're multiplying outside the function by some real number, then you're in the vertical direction. It'll be a vertical stretch or a vertical shrinking. If you're inside the function, like in this case here, then you're either going to be a horizontal stretch or a horizontal shrinking, depending on what a is. Okay, so again, here, if a is bigger than 1, that results in a horizontal shrinking. If a is between 0 and 1, that results in a horizontal stretching. Okay? And then that's it. So again, make sure you know the difference. It's easy to get these mixed up. If you understand the y direction, so again, listen to what I'm telling you. If you're multiplying outside the function by some real number, if a is bigger than 1, it's going to be a vertical stretch. If a is between 0 and 1, it's going to be a vertical shrinking. Now, for the horizontal case, if you're multiplying inside the function, it's opposite of what I just said. Okay? If you're inside the function and you're multiplying x by some value of a, if a is between 0 and 1, then it becomes a horizontal stretching. But if a is bigger than 1, it becomes a horizontal shrinking. Okay? And that's what you have to keep straight. Okay, that's it. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.